Hello guys, ituro ko lang tong tipa sa Aubrey. When Aubrey was her name, I'm not so very ordinary girl. A minor, D7. What would you play? Tapos introduction. For the love. Pasok lang to, tapos yung isa dito sa baba. Ito sa pangatlong string mula sa taas, tapos baba. Pinakababa na itong isang bakante yung second. Yan. For the love that wouldn't bloom. Yung pang third dito sa ano, tapos yung isa parang letter G dito sa baba. For the love closing line, ibaba mo lang yan, for the love that never played into. Tapos ano mo lang dito, melody yan dito, isa sa baba from the top second, tapos dito sa gitna itong isa, tapos ito third, tapos ito pang fifth. Everyone can sing. Yan, you know, first, gitna, tapos pang third, ito yung third, tapos ito yung pang fifth. Yan. If everyone can sing, take away the word of trust, it doesn't mean a thing. Letter D, D7, tapos balik sa D, right? Tapos pagdating dun sa chorus, how I miss the girl, and I go till some time around, the world just you. Letter C na. Susunod-sunod nyo lang dito, baba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan, pang 6. That you be closer to her than to me. Introduction. Right, buuin na natin. When Aubrey was her name, and that's a very ordinary girl name, but was to blame for the love that wouldn't bloom, for the heart that never bleed into. Like a lovely melody that everyone can sing, take away the word to cry, it doesn't mean a thing. I go 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to her than to me. When Aubrey was her name, we tripped the light and danced together to the moon. But where was Joe? No, it never came around. Every day that never made a sound. Maybe I was obstinate or was listening too fast, catching all the words that rhyme. It doesn't mean a thing. Oh, how I miss the girl, and I go 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to her than to me. When Aubrey was her name, I never knew her, but I love her just the same. I love her name. No, it never came around. Every day that never made a sound. Maybe I was obsessing or was listening too fast, catching all the words that rhyme. It doesn't mean a thing. Oh, how I miss the girl, and I go 1,000,000 times around the world just to be. She has been mine for a day. Thank you. Simpleng kwan lang. Tuturo. Madali lang naman na pag-aralan. Ang tipa ng Aubrey. Sundin nyo lang yung kwan. Mga pagkasunod-sunod. Yan. Magandang kantay na pag ikaw ay nag-iisa. Pagka medyo may sakit libang-libang. Right?